Hello guys, welcome to my next YouTube tutorial. So today in this tutorial we are going to write a C program to find the largest of three numbers using if-else statement. So let's start with opening our Turbo C++ application by clicking on Start Turbo C++. So in this application you can go to File for opening a new project, and here you can name it as a.c. The extension of your file should be .c as it is a C program, and after pressing enter this blue screen will appear where you can start writing your code. So let's start with including the header files. So our first header file is #include stdio.h. This is one built-in header file, and one more #include ponyo.h. So this is also the built-in header file, and the last one which we are using is #include stdio, not stdio, it's math.h. So we are using math.h here because we are doing the mathematical operations, because we are finding the largest of three numbers, so we need to use math.h library. So let's start with our main program, that is void main. So here we'll open the braces for our main program, and here we'll start with the declaration of our variables which we need to use in our program, that is a, b, c, and one more variable to store the value, that is large. Now here we are going to use clrsci, which is used to clear the output screen each and every time. Now we are going to use printf function to print the data, and we are going to ask the user to enter the values for a, b, and c. So these values will be provided by the user, and here we are using save sequence /n so that the cursor moves to the next line. And now we are going to scan all the values which will be inserted by the user using scanf. So we are using %d as all are the integer variables, and now %a and %b and %c. So here we have read all the values. So now comes your logical part. So here we are going to use if and else statements. So first we are going to use if condition. So what the if condition says is, if a is greater than or equal to b, then open the braces for this. Now again one more condition, if a is greater than or equal to c, then large is equal to a. So if this condition is true, the large should be a, and for this if, the else part, else large is equal to c. So either of these conditions should be true, and here we are going to come out of this if condition. Now for this if condition we are going to write the else part. So else, and open the braces for this. Then in this you are going to write one more if condition, that is if b is greater than or equal to c, then large is equal to b. And for this if we are going to write our else statement. So else large is equal to c. So here we are going to come out of this else statement, and now we are going to use this printf function to print the large value. So we are going to use printf large number is, so this will be given by the user after the calculation. So now we are using save sequence /n, and some kind of value will be there, %d of integer value. So we are using %d here and /n. Now we are going to read the value of large from the main memory. So here we read it, and here comes the last line of your program, that is getch, which is used to get the formatted data onto the output screen, and here you can close your main program. So this is your program for largest of three numbers. Now you can save it for future purpose, and for compilation purpose you can come here to compile your program to find whether any errors are there or not. If there are any errors you can solve it, and if you have any doubts please ask in the comment section. So it is asking for success, press any key, so I am going to use enter key, and for running your program you can come here, and also you can use the shortcut key Control F9. So this is how your output screen will look like. So it is asking for the values of a, b, and c. So let's enter the values of A, B and C, 10, 5 and 50. So these are the three values of A, B and C. So after pressing enter, I'll get the largest number among these three. So the largest number is 50. So this is your program and this is the output for your largest of three numbers. So if you want to come out of this, you can press enter. And to come out of this Turbo C++ application, you can press Alt Enter, the shortcut key, and you can close this Turbo C++ application and everything. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further updates.